Hi, Chris with Dragon Magnet Fishing. I'm at a kind of special location. It's private property, but it's owned by somebody in my family. We're up in Clarkston, Michigan at my aunt and uncle's property. I used to come fishing here as a kid, and every time I come visit Michigan from California, they always let me come up here for the weekends and hang out, and my uncle would take me fishing on their lake and all that stuff, which really honestly didn't never have any fish, but it was still always fun to spend quality time with family. As you can see, it's a very woodsy, beautiful area. Nice little private lake out here. It's each person owns a little piece of on each edge, and I'm gonna get winded here in a little bit climbing down these steps, so talk to you soon. All right, and welcome to the lake. It's beautiful out. I don't know if you guys can see how much muck is at the bottom here, so this is gonna be fun. But yeah, old fat guy and a lot of stairs. Surprised I'm not more winded. Alrighty. Let's see what we can do here. Nice light throw. Oh. Ooh, look at all them bubbles I'm kicking up. Like I said, we used to come fishing a lot down here, so I wouldn't be surprised if I found a bunch of lures. I'm definitely pulling up a bunch of muck. Oh, that's heavy. And a little stinky. Smells like old wet grass. No lures. Oh my lord, there's actually fish in the water. Almost tempted to go get a reel pole. So excited. One more week till the Motor City Magnet Fishing event. The second annual Get the Motor City Magnet Fishing. It's going to be so much fun, guys. Oh. Eventually I might blaze a path here. That is really muddy, mucky. All right. You know, when I was a kid, I remember there being a lot more trees and a lot less houses around this lake. Now, I see a lot of houses. Used to be all you could see was the little docks. Nada. Just some schmutz. Alright, we're gonna give it a couple more throws. Maybe we will. Maybe we won't actually get some. Aha, no barefoot challenge. You will not see no bare feet because I'm wearing shoes. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wash my rope and magnet tonight really good. You guys hear the frogs? When I first came out here, there was a couple ducks. They took off. Oh wow, I think it's a pellet gun shell. You see that on there? Something better than nothing. I'm probably pulling up stuff off the bottom of this. Probably hasn't been turned up since I was 10. So over 30 years ago. Yeah, I know, I'm ancient. Wow, I can't even believe we're not pulling up fishing hooks. I'm serious. We used to get snagged on stuff out here all the time. All right. This will be my last attempt to pull up something. I love it out here. There's always a chipmunk or a squirrel. Or a frog. Or some kind of wildlife. Sometimes even deer. I doubt we'll see a deer. I'm making way too much noise. But there's always something really cool going on out here. Like sometimes right over here when I walk by, there's a frog or something that books off. But yep, I was kind of hoping to find a little something. Didn't find a little anything, except for that little pellet shell. But yeah, I'm gonna pack it up and go socialize with the family. You guys have a great day, and yeah, definitely get your magnets wet. And now the trek back up. And the only reason I'm recording this is because you never know what nature you're gonna see. See them chinchy little stairs under there? That's how we used to get down here. You know, as a kid I was always afraid they'd get hurt on that. Now they made this nice one, which is old now, but much safer. Sorry guys, I'm a mouth breather. I always did love that statue.